Hey there, how you been? Did you get your car fixed?
Hey, buddy. It turns out the noise was my radio. It was on AM radio the whole time in between two stations. So I turned it to 770, and what do you know, the noise stopped.
Awesome. Is this your guard dog?
Your beard must be blocking your view. Daisy here's my lapdog. She's itty bitty. She's tiny. She couldn't hurt a fly if she tried. You wanna hold her?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
Hi. She's a teacup.
A teacup Great Dane? Holy cow.
Yorkie. Ain't she cute?
Yeah, she sure is. Okay. Good girl.
Anyways, I need a new radio.
Oh, we focus more on mechanical parts.
Okay, you know where I can get one? You young'uns is good with your boom boom radios.
If you want a radio, you're gonna have to go I would check out the Radio Shack. They might have something good for you.
Hey, you wanna see her do her tricks?
Yeah, okay, cool.
She's a clever little lapdog, she is. Her tricks are the bee's knees. Shit. Good girl. Shake. That's a good girl. Look what I got for you. What's that? Leave it. Leave it. Leave. You watching? Leave it. Leave it. Yeah, leave it, Daisy. Good girl, go ahead. What'd you think of that?
That's actually really cool.
Alright. Come on, Daisy. You want me to carry you?
Oh, wait, are you sure that's a good idea?
She loves being carried. Come here, Daisy. Come here, you're putting on some weight, Jar.
Okay, you guys have a good one.
I'm robbing a bank, that's what I'll do to get away from hearing you. Every day, well, it's the same. We all suffer this pain.
Hey, this must be dog day at the parts house. Yeah, this is Officer Pepper. This is my new partner. Oh wow, I didn't know Chihuahuas could be security dogs. First off, we're gonna be sheriffs. We're in the academy. Second of all, he's a Mexican shepherd. Aren't you, boy? Look at him. He's a beast. He's even got his sheriff's badge already. He already did some temporary duty, see? Huh, tell him. A Mexican shepherd. I never heard of that breed. Yeah, the guy I got him from told me his breed is close to a German shepherd, sort of like a cousin. Oh, okay, he's adorable. No, he's not. He's a brute, intimidating canine officer of the law, and he's got my back. Tell him, boy. Tell him you got my back. Aren't you intimidated? You're super intimidated. Look at this beast. You don't mess with Mexican shepherds. Ugh. Oh wow, that's awesome. I bet he's gonna be huge when he's done growing. What are you talking about? He's huge. Look at him. He's a beast. He's 4 years old. He's a monster. He barely fits on your counter. He's one of the biggest in his litter. Weren't you, boy? You are a beast in your litter, huh? Oh, I see. Can I pet him? You can try, but we hold no liability if he rips your arm off, okay? He'll do it too. Be nice, alright? Don't rip his arm off. Chief would be so pissed. I'll be careful. Hi. Hi there. Hi, little boo-boos. Oh, look at you. Aren't you just the nicest thing? Okay, here you go. Good. Come here. He must like you. He's not usually that nice. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Oh, I know. Ah, totally, dude. Totally. Oh, that's cute. I mean, man, that was intimidating. So, what can I get for you? Anyways, the whole point of me coming in here is because I need a headlight for my unit. I know you guys got headlights everywhere. Okay, is it a Explorer, F-150, Crown Vic? Yeah, it's a Nissan Cube. Nissan Cube. Oh, never mind. I'll just get one back at base. I'm sure they have one. Alright, you guys won't have one anyway. Come on, Pepper. Let's go arrest some people. Have a good one. Be careful out there.
They can't leave that shit alone. Now all my friends are stoned.
Hey, if it isn't Mr. Striking, how you doing, Viper? That's little Viper to you, Holmes? What happened to your beard, eh? Do you all look almost all naked now? Yeah, it's getting hot. I figured I'd trim it up a little bit. And who's this? This is Duke now. He's the little homie in training. He's all fierce. He's a Rottweiler now. I mean, he's not a Rottweiler, but he's cool. Aren't you cool? You're cute. Cut it out, eh? He's all fierce, bro. He'll bite you now. He'll bite your face off. He is a Rotty, Holmes. He's just a little midget, no. He's kind of insecure about it. Don't make fun of his size, no. That's all pinch. That's not cool, eh? Why do you let him do that to you? That's not gangster, eh? How you supposed to be the little homie in training and you're letting him talk like that to you? You don't let him talk like that to you. Don't listen to him, Holmes. It's all good. You're gangster, eh? You're the sickest rod ever, no? Orale, Holmes. Anyway, beardless wonder over there looking like the bounce sticks guy. Let me guess. Another story. Listen, I'm glad to hear it, but is there something I can help you with first? Let's get that out of the way. Like, do you need something else for the Lolo? You're all rude, eh? Just came to say what up. What up? Oh, that's cool. I didn't mean to be rude. So what's up? Check it out, Holmes. The Ramfla and the Ruka, no, they're draining my feria, no, so I need a little side hustle, no. You want to hook me up with a jale or what? What's a fedia and what's a jale? Are you talking about a job or something? I don't think this is your kind of work, bro. So you want to say, gonna do me all dirty like that? That's all, pinche. Don't make me sick my roddy on you, no. I'll do it, eh? I'll do it. Sick him, I'll get it. Watch. Just watch, eh? I'll tell him, no. I'll tell him. Whoa, okay. No need to sick your roddy or your posse on me. It's all good. You got time for an interview? What, like talking and shit? I guess, eh? I'm gonna take the little homie Duke home to the chante, no, and I'll come right back, no, and then we can talk or whatever you want. Okay then. Bye, Duke. Alright, I'll be right back, watch. Come on, Duke, let's go, eh?
Buzzline that holds me back. It's all these messed up situations. Now I know the world's on crack.
Hey, James, my friend. Hey, Mitroska. Hey, I'm here to show you another fun game from Moscow. This, Lulu. She from Russia too. She not from Moscow, but she very much from Mother Russia too. She very good. Good talk. Good talk. Oh yeah? Awesome. She's adorable. So what's the game? Let me guess. We go out into the parking lot, you get into your van, I stand next to the van, we race across the parking lot, and whoever makes it to the other side first wins. No, comrade. This one game too, but this one talk about it's called Let's Race. This one called see who win, right? We see who win. This good girl. So you get the money out and you give to Lulu. If she don't like, she don't take. If she like money, she take the money and she run. It's very fun and you win. This is how you win. We play, okay? It's very fun. Okay, this I gotta see. Here you go. She won't take it. Nope, she don't like this bill. Try another. Okay. That's funny. Haha, see, I tell you, this is fun. It's such a fun game. You win. She gonna bring it back? What? Why she give back? You give to her. It's hers now. What? But that was $10. I need that. Then why you give to her? Just wait. She come back. Yes. Here she come now. Oh, you see? Now she tell Daisy and Daisy want to play too. But where's my money? I don't know. It's her money. I don't know what she do with her money. Well, ask her. What? You think she tell me? Look, this is why I see who wins such fun game. Well, if it's so fun, you give her money. They not want to play with me. They not like play with me. They want to play with Uncle James. See, I show you. You see? You see? Just try again. Come on, play again. It's for the puppies. Okay. They won't take it. I guess they're done robbing me today. Robbing? You funny. Just try another bill. Just try again. They take this. You're paying me back. Oh, come on. Go get my money. What? I no play. I tell you, it's theirs now. It's out of my hands. I have nothing to do with, my friend. Oh no, not happening, not happening. Ha! They like playing game with you. I'm out $30 on this game already. But you win 3 times already. That's what, you keep win. You win again. It's a great game. For them? I tell you, this is the price of a good time. Nope, I'm broke. Need a part? No, I just bored. And I come to say hi to Conrad and you know, show a fun game, see who win. Well, actually, how much for K&N filter for the van? Oil filter. Would you look at that? $29.99. Okay, I take. Troszkę reférotów nie derivase. Derivase. That's good, good pup. Drop it. Yes, it's good. Thank you. Here you go, my friend. Really? You're gonna pay me with their money? What? They lend it to me and I take them to dog park. It's very good deal for both. They get good dog park and I pay them back money later and I get my filter. It's good deal. Very good deal. I need to go home. Okay, you very funny. Okay. You have a good day. I see you later, comrade. Hey everybody. I just wanted to send a quick shout out to all of you out there watching my videos, showing support, subscribing, liking, sharing with your friends, and commenting. I'm almost up to 100 subscribers now, which in the scheme of YouTubers and the grand scheme of things is not that many people, but to me it's a big deal. There's 100 people is a landmark for me, so I just again wanted to show my gratitude and say thank you very much. And at the end of this video, after you're done watching it, if you could go ahead and in the comments section let me know what you like, what you didn't like, what I should do more of, what you want to see more of, and if you have any suggestions, let me know. I'm going to change the videos a little bit more, kind of shy away from just automotive retail and start including some other retails, see what we can do, get a little crazy in here. I have ideas for a few other things too, so if there's something you want to see, please leave me a comment in the bottom, let me check it out and I'll see what we can do. I also wanted to send a quick shout out to Ish Martinez, Chris Peralta, and Dwight Burks. Those are the members of APH, for letting me use their catalog in my videos. I hope you enjoy the music as much as I do. They're a fantastic band. Check them out on Facebook, the APH page, and let's root for them to get back together and have a reunion tour. Thanks again. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Goes out with other guys, and the moral of the story from a guy who knows.